You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation, plant name, if you want to learn more plant names and brand names of beauty products, in particular skincare, cosmetics, make sure to stay tuned. Pronunciation in English, either Centella Asiatica, or in American English, Asiatica, Centella Asiatica. It's also pronounced as Centella Asiatica, Asiatica or Asiatica, Centella Asiatica or Centella Asiatica. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.